Hello, English learners of all levels. And guys, are you facing challenges in clearing your interviews? Are you facing challenges in growing in your career just because of English language? If that is your challenge, you can see my videos, you can follow my YouTube channel and do self practice. There are more than 121 topics as of now, and I'm uploading topics on daily basis, guys. And if you are new to the channel, please do follow my playlist year 2023 and start following the day's plan. Okay, and I'm sure the day is not far when you will start speaking fluently. Okay, today we are on date 121. Okay, this shows that we have already completed 4 months, guys. Okay, 4 months completed means you really need to take a break. I'm sure you must be exhausted if you have really followed my daily videos until day today. Okay, means until day 121. That means we have completed 4 months time. Okay, 120 days equals to 4 months, right? So we have completed 4 months, and if you have really sincerely completed 4 months, now it's the time to start again with the bang. Okay, you are entering fifth month of yours, and today onwards we will grill more. Okay, we will deep down the topics. Okay, we will grill more, we will talk about more. Okay, we will talk more in detail. Actually, we will talk more in depth for each topic. Okay, so you will learn a lot. Keep following my channel, keep following my videos. And for self practice, I mean, if you really want to get fluency, I make you practice live on Zoom sessions, and I don't have any plan as such. I mean, I do not follow particular syllabus. I just make you speak. Okay, just make you speak about your daily things, about your habits, about your nature, about your experiences, so that you can connect, okay, with the language. Okay, I just make you connect with the language, I mean, by making you speak about your daily things. And the classes are very interesting. You can, book one free session on Zoom. You can fill a form. It is available on my channel in the links. Fill a form for free class, free sessions, and you can avail a free session, so you can really come to know like how the class flow is, how you learn in the class, and how effective the classes are. So I thank you so much, guys, and I really congratulate to the guys who have completed 4 months journey with me. Okay, thank you very much for keeping your patience and putting so much hard work, and thank you for your dedication. Okay, if you have sincerely completed these 4 months, and I'm sure you must have come much ahead from the level where you were. Okay, so it's the practice that makes you perfect. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep following my videos. Thank you so much. I come back. I'll see you guys again with the next video. Okay, and till now, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, till now, whatever you have learned, okay, for each video, okay, like it is again, like it is again your progress. Do write in comment, okay, your learning about from the each video. Okay, whichever video you are seeing, okay, do put it in a comment what is your learning from that particular video. Okay, so you are parallelly improving your writing skills, guys. Okay, and I will correct you, okay, on that. I will correct you. I may correct you in the classes, I may correct you through message, or in the comment only I will correct you, guys. So don't forget to write what is your learning from each video of mine. Put it in the comment box. Okay, and do share the videos, do share my channel with the people whom you feel they really need to improve their English. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll come back again with the next video.